On the 15th of November 2024, Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma attended the 4th Janjatiya Gaurav Diwas at the State Convention Centre with Union Civil Aviation Minister Naidu as chief guest. The event, organised by the State Rural Employment Society and East Khasi Hills Administration, honoured tribal freedom fighters. Naidu praised Meghalaya's conservation efforts and the Khasi tradition of preserving sacred groves, calling it a global lesson. He assured support for expanding Umroi Airport and operationalizing Baljek Airport. The program also linked participants to PM Narendra Modi's launch of Birsa Munda's 150th birth anniversary celebrations in Bihar. Outstanding village employment councils or VECs were felicitated during the event.
To get us the freedom and to fight for the rights and to protect the nature, which has been very important. And I have had the good fortune of visiting the East Khasi Heritage Village, and I was very proud to see how you have taken your culture and your identity and you're able to showcase it, and also the culture of protecting the sacred forest. And I believe it is something not just for the tribal communities to own, but each and every person who is born on this Mother Earth has to learn from the tribal communities on how to protect our nature and how to protect our environment. And I have seen that very strongly in the state of Meghalaya, how the people of the state, especially the tribal communities, they are going one step ahead and trying to protect Mother Nature, especially the forests that we have. They are the source of energy. They are the source of life for all of us. And if we start losing out on that treasure that we have, on the treasure that our ancestors have given us, then we won't have anything to give to our future generations. And in fact, yesterday, one of the guide who was taking me through the sacred forest, he has mentioned to me that there is a saying in the East Khasi, this thing, that our sacred forest, it is not something that we inherit from our forefathers, from our ancestors. It is something which we are borrowing from our future generations. I think there is a strong message in that line that he has said to me. And there is a great learning for me also. What I can say is a miracle for the state of Meghalaya, and definitely under his leadership, I see that the state of Meghalaya is going to achieve far greater heights, and the benefit is going to the people of Meghalaya in return. And also on this Janjatiya Gaurav Diwas, some of the important schemes or some of the important achievements by the India government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, I would like to tell right now, which is 17,000 crore in scholarships for 30 lakh students tribally has been given annually, and 1.5 crore toilets to 58 lakh homes for tribes, ensuring dignified life has been done. 1.2 crore tribal farmers have been benefited by the PM Kisan Yojana. Funds for tribal welfare group, it grew from 24,600 crore in 2014, which was 10 years back, to 1,23,000 crore in 2024. So it was almost 5-time increase in the funds that we are spending for the development of tribal communities in the country.